What's up, YouTube? I just got done washing up the RCF, so I thought today would be the perfect time for me to finally uncover the Datsun after 2 months and give it a wash. I haven't washed it at all. I've owned it for maybe, I think, 4 or 5 months now. Haven't washed it at all. Haven't vacuumed or anything in the inside. I just been taking it a couple spins around the block and driving it to the gym down the block. But lately, it's been sitting there for, I think, almost 2 months. I haven't moved it at all. It's been covered up all summer, so I'm gonna try and get it running today, see if it's even gonna run, and then give it a quick wash and show you guys around it. I haven't even made a video of showing the inside of the car, the condition it's in. I just showed picking it up and bringing it home. So let's take a look inside. Got me this new fancy gimbal. I'm gonna give it a try right now. Try to record uncovering the Datsun real quick. Here she is after sitting down for 2 months. Haven't turned her on, haven't moved it at all. Seen probably a big dust cloud come out of the cover when I took it off, but windows, I had it uncovered for a while before I did put the cover on, and I still haven't washed it, but it's starting to get a little grimy, a lot of cobwebs, spiders living in there, so I think it's time for a good wash. The transmission is leaking. That's one thing that I found out, but other than that, I did show a little bit about the car. It's in amazing condition when I picked it up. The only rust is a little bit of surface rust right here, right there, and then there was a little bit of surface rust on the trunk right there. That's it. Other than that, the car runs and drives. Transmission is leaking a little. That's easy to fix. And that's it. She's a beauty for $2,000. $2,000. Don't worry, baby. You're a beauty too. I didn't forget about you. So let me try and give it a crank. See if it even turns on or if I need to do anything to it. Like I said, it's been 2 months since I last turned it on. So let's see. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Yeah. Atta girl. Woo! Smell of gasoline in an older car. It's actually pretty nice. Lose a few brain cells, but who cares? So hopefully a spider doesn't come out of nowhere and crawl on me, but I mean, the car's in decent condition on the outside, but inside kind of took a beating, to be honest. A lot of cracked interior parts. It's rising up from over there from the sun. Damaged right here and cracked. I think one of the gauges didn't work. The speedometer doesn't work after 80 miles. I mean 70 miles. 70 miles. Exterior's kind of roughed up. I mean, it's all sun damage. Everything kind of got warped and damaged up after the sun, but guess what? We don't care, because I'm gutting all this shit and putting in a new modern interior and making this shit look completely nice. Getting new bucket seats from Braun Racing, getting harness bar. I don't know if I'm gonna do full roll cage or just the bar. I could do just a bar on this one. Getting harness straps, everything. The full interior is gonna be redone on this car and gutted, so stay tuned for that. Still works though. I'll take her for a spin real quick, but I really can't see shit with this dirty windshield. Got her off the driveway. Let's see if I can drive a manual and record at the same time. Got way too many cops living next to me to be doing this kind of shit. And I stalled. I think I'm gonna focus on driving, guys, just so I don't break the car. So, see you guys back at the house. And we're back. I was about to pull it into the garage, hence why I'm slanted like this, but I don't want any transmission fluids dripping onto the floor, so I'm gonna just wash it outside. I mean, we're getting a little bit of shade from the palm trees. Try and hurry up and get it all rinsed off and washed up outside. All right, boys, drove her around. Everything worked, test her out. So let's get started on washing her. This paint is so badly damaged and so burnt up that it's hard just to run the drying towel across it to try and dry it off. And most of the water already kind of just slid off by itself, but for the most part, like I'm saying, it is impossible to just slide the towel across I mean, you could see how damaged it is. It's getting pretty hot now, but just got done drying off the whole car. Just wanted to show you guys something, why I love washing my cars myself every once in a while. I mean, I do use mobile detailers sometimes, and I'll take the ES to the car wash. I don't really care too much about the paint on that one. But I love washing my own cars because you'll find new dents, new rust, whatever, stuff you need to take care of. Like, found some more rust up there. Found paint cracking right there. And another one over there. Found some new rust on the front. Forgot, somewhere over there. I already forgot where it's at. But yeah, you just find stuff wrong with your car. Helps you know what needs to be taken care of. I mean, there she is. That's pretty much the best I can do right now. I didn't use any soap on it because I don't want to use any chemicals on the paint since there's so much damage and so many different spots that are exposed. Just made sure to dry it off real quick. Make sure to dry off the rust spots that are already exposed. Clean the wheels. Got rid of all that spider webs. I'm not too worried about the interior right now, even though it's really nasty and grimy. Because, I mean, there's probably spiders living somewhere in this car, and I'm not going to find them until I take the chairs out and gut it. So once I start working on this car, then I'll give it a full interior, exterior detail, lift it up on jacks, clean the undercarriage and everything. I need to go buy one of those undercarriage cleaners. But for now, boys, there she is, the 280Z. Beautiful car. Can't wait to get started working on it. I will start working on it immediately after SEMA. This car is pretty much SEMA ready. I don't want to get any closer because I haven't unveiled all the hydro dip that I just did to it, which is coming in a video either before this one or after, don't know yet. But once I come back from SEMA, immediately starting on this, and in the next couple weeks, I will have a new car right here. And I want you guys to start guessing what that's gonna be if you watch this far. Guess which car is coming in. If you already know, if I've already told you, don't say anything, keep it a secret. But everybody else, take a comment, guess which car is coming. Thanks for watching, guys. Just wanted to give you guys a quick, simple video showing you guys the Datsun because I realized I never really gave you guys a full tour of it and all of its glory. I know it's beat up and everything, but for $2,000, that's glory right there. I mean, you won't get anything better. I see people selling just the shell for $8,000, gutted, no transmission, no engine, no nothing. So thanks for watching, guys. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.